I actually want to see if you can actually watch this video that I made yesterday for you guys. Somebody actually said that you can read the comments below what he or she actually said. I don't even can. What the person said is the country is very hard. Stop wasting people's data if you don't know what to put on as a content. I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised because with this, I might think the person has already classified his or herself as a scammer, as one of those scammers that scam people on P2p marketplace. No, like you cannot just come to my comments after giving you update and start complaining that I should not stop wasting people's data. Oh, I'm like you're supposed to point out what actually that is not working for you in this life. Everything cannot work for you. If you try this one and it doesn't work for you, try another way. Don't just come here and make it seem or to discourage other people. What is harder for you not to understand? Buying from Binance and going to another exchange to actually sell it is what you don't understand. So without wasting much time, I still want to do that same update with this same Binance and same P2p exchange for you guys to see. I know a lot of people are actually getting frustrated trying to because I've trying to reveal their secret. I don't care because I don't promote scammers. So don't come here to discourage others. If you are not ready to do the update or if you don't know how to do the updates, please leave it for people that can do it. Okay, without wasting much time, let me do a little bit introduction of myself. I will always do this. I am Crypto 001. You guys know by now that what I do in this channel is that I promote content, especially crypto content such as arbitrage of exchanges, crypto trading, and the rest of crypto related things. You can see yesterday, as yesterday that I made this video, dollar was actually 1,650 naira. So at right now, dollar is actually 1,721 naira. You can see it regain in value every day. And even if you buy this, even if you buy now and you don't want to sell it, you can actually keep it. In 2 days time you sell it and still make your profit. So let's just first of all, what we need to do is to click on filter here. Once you click on filter, you toggle off this and click on confirm so that you find merchants who are going to sell for you at a very good price. So what you need to do, you can see this guy is actually selling from 4,000 to 5,000. No, we are not going for this guy because the price limit there is too low. You want to go for this. Let me see another one. Let me see another one. Okay, this guy is actually selling from 40,000 to 1 million. So we are going to buy from this guy. What you need to do is click buy, and another interface will pop up where you now buy the USDT. So what you need to do is, let's start this with $50. I always start this with $50 so that I think majority of us can actually afford $50 to start this arbitrage. So what you need to do is just insert your $50, and with your $50 you are going to spend 86,000 naira. So once you are here, after buying the $50, what you need to do is you go back and click on wallet. Assuming you have the $50 in your wallet already, what you need to do, you click on spot. Once you click on spot, another thing you will do is you click on withdraw. Once you click on withdraw, you click on USDT. You need to search for it if you don't have a coin on it. You search for it and you click on send via crypto network. Once you click on send via crypto network, menu will actually appear here where you see address, network address, and withdrawal address. I think in my last video I actually talk about how to insert this, and I always advise you guys to go for BNB Smart Chain because it has the lower fee rate which you can actually transfer without, compared to Tron and Ethereum. But when you are transferring from using BNB, you are actually going to pay lesser fee. So once you are here, you need to set the address the network address and the amount you want to withdraw. So let me quickly go to KuCoin and show you how you can actually implement this and make money. So right now I'm on KuCoin. Once you are on KuCoin, let me go back and show you how to get to this interface. You need to click on P2p. Once you click on P2p, remember we have $50 on Binance that we are waiting that we want to transfer to KuCoin. So what you need to do, okay, first of all, let me show you how to transfer the money to KuCoin in case you want to transfer to KuCoin. First of all, you click on assets. Once you click on assets, you need to click on where you see deposit, because you are going to deposit the money to KuCoin before you can sell it and transfer it back to Binance. Okay, once you are here, you need to click on USDT. Click on USDT. Once you click on USDT, this menu will appear where you will see ERC20, you see TRC20, Solana, Algo, US, Canva, and the rest. You just scroll down to where you will see BIP20. Below you will see BNB Smart Chain. You click on it. Once you click on it, a menu or an interface will appear like this, where you see network address BIP20. You can see the address here, you can see the fee rate, you can see deposit you can click here to change it to either trading account or funding, but you can just allow it to be on funding or either trading account. Trading account just like spot account, but just leave it on funding. So you can see deposit confirmation in 232 blocks. You can see the rest. So what you need to do, the major thing you need to do here is to click on this copy address. Once you click on the copy address, now move to Binance. Once you are on Binance, this way you now paste in the wallet address. You now paste in the wallet address. You click on here. You click on here to confirm the network address. Click on here. Okay, this is the network address. You now put the amount of USDT we have. Actually, we have 50 USDT. You now insert the 50 USDT here. With the 50 USDT, you can see below, you are going to receive 49.81 in your KuCoin. So let's go back to our KuCoin. I actually show you how you can actually do this to transfer to your KuCoin. Let's go back to our KuCoin. Okay, here on our KuCoin, you need to click on home. Once you have the money in your KuCoin, you need to click on home. Once you click on home, you now click on P2p. Once you click on P2p, another thing you need to do is to click on sell. You click on sell, you will be seeing merchants that are going to buy at the rate of 17617 something, which is not actually profitable. You need to look for a seller that will buy higher than that your rate you bought at Binance, so that you'll be able to make profit. So I will sound this again and again. Please and please, you as a seller, since you want to sell and you have the coin in your wallet and you want to sell, you have advantage. You have very high advantage, in a sense that if you don't receive your money in your wallet, please don't release your coin. And don't go outside the escrow. Don't go to any YouTube channel, to any WhatsApp, any Facebook, any place at all to go and click on any link. If anybody should tell you, please chat me up on WhatsApp, do this, do that, please and please don't do it. Don't do it. If the person cannot send you the money through OPay or PalmPay, let the person leave it now, and tell the person to cancel the trade, and you move on to another person. Okay, don't allow anybody to tell you to go and click on it. Once you click on those links they put on your WhatsApp for you to click, automatically your details, your account details will be appear to them, and they will use that against you and withdraw all your money. That's what I'm trying to tell you. I don't care about the scammers or anybody that will get upset. Yes, I'm saying from experience. Okay, so what you need to do is to click on sell. Click on sell. You're actually going to sell to this very guy here that is actually buying at the rate of 1,800. So this guy here that is buying at 1,800 is still going to make profit because every day dollar keep rising, keep rising, keep rising. So by tomorrow you come and check now, you will see that dollar is 1,959 and this guy will make profit. Okay, so what you need to do now is to sell to this guy. Remember we have 49.81 in our, sorry, wait, remember we have 49.81 USDT, which is equivalent to 89,658 naira. Remember we started this update with 86,000 naira and we have been able to turn our 86,000 naira to 89,658 naira. Let's just call it 89,650 naira. Let's go to our calculator and see how much we have been able to make from this update. 89, we have made 89,658 naira minus our initial capital, which was 86,000 naira. We have made a profit of 3,658 naira. Then 3,658 naira times, if you go this like 5 times, this 18,290 naira. 18,290 naira times 30 days, e will give you 548,700 naira. Guys, this is actually profitable, but be mindful of the platform you are dealing with. If anybody should tell you to chat outside the escrow, don't go. Okay, I'm just trying to do this for the love I have for humanity. I don't care who comes to my channel and start discouraging my people, my subscribers. I don't care. I'm just doing this for the love I have, because if I don't have passion for teaching cryptos, I wouldn't have come here to be doing it. I'm doing this for the love I